Hey Big Chop Beauty, so if you ever wanted to blend your leave out with a texture that doesn't quite match your own, girl, don't trip, you need to watch this tutorial. We're going to show you a very quick and easy way to blend your leave out with our corkscrew curl texture. Stay tuned. So you'll need a rat tail comb and a curl refresher. We like this one by Eden Body Works, which helps to prep your natural hair as well as your extensions. Now let's get started. So of course, first create your part, whether that be middle or side. So we're going to section out the hair, and we're going to do that in very tiny sections because we want the leave out to match the curl pattern of the extension. So you're going to take a small section of your leave out, and you're also going to take a small section of the extension. So you're going to get that piece of leave out and your extension saturated with the curl refresher because we're about to start twisting, and this is going to help the two pieces stay together. This is going to add some great moisture to the hair, and then we're basically going to twist down to the length of the leave out, and we're going to repeat that all over. But you want to make sure the sections are tiny, not only because you want them to be manageable and you want the twist to stay in, but also you want a great, believable blend. Now let's see that up close to make sure you got it, okay, Big Chop Beauties? So again, we're taking a small section of the leave out, a small section of the extension, we're going to saturate it with the curl refresher, and then we're going to twist down to the length of the leave out. And it's as simple as that, and then you just repeat until you have no more leave out left. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and check out the description box below to join our newsletter. Bye, Big Chop Beauties.